Guay bonita.
Sushi! We got sushi! It looked like a baby wahoo because all the lines on them. Jiggy, 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 jiggy. They're usually in schools. Remember last time that we had? Ooh. Just caught this tuna. Call the wife Bonita. Good see. Nice tuna. We're stranded out here. Getting pulled by another boat. Been stranded for 30 minutes. And yeah, the engine won't work, so we're getting pulled by that boat. At least we caught a fish though. Best thing in my life right now. We'll see y'all when we get back to the docks or catch another fish. Yeah, hooked up on a marlin with the stranded boat. Woo! They're like 4 marlins. Come on, real. What do you have to say to YouTube?
Ain't nobody luckier than Lennon.
Yeah. Hey, we got dinner! And we got sushi! You don't know, with the marlins we caught before, we've eaten them and put them on sushi, but sushi. Hey, yeah. Just to update, we do have a tuna in the box, so. We are currently still being hauled by the boat.
Vamos a pasar por frente. Párate para frente, párate para frente. Quítate eso rápido. Sobre, ¿ya lo agarraste? Ya, regrésamelo. Mira, si quieres, pásate del otro lado. Mira, no, sí, ahí enfrente.
Ah, bueno.
You want me to fight him? You want me to do it? Yeah. Oh.
¿Quién va a ser el morro? ¡El morro!
Oh, that's
Hey, come in. Agárralo, hijo, agárralo. Cuidado, cuidado. Cuidado.
You up here?
Agárrate fuerte.
I got him right now.
Sí, lo voy a cambiar para enfrente.
Get him. We're at the front of the boat.
Dámelo. Suelta.
It's a big one. For real. He's a nice one, huh? He's a stripe. Yeah, he jumped. He's big. He's bigger than the other one. The first day we caught him. Grande. Más agua.
Lo lleve para allá.
Oh! Don't lose him. This is our sashimi. There you go. Thanks. We got no power. We gone out, no power. So keeping the live well open with a bucket of water. How big you think he is? Dude, he came all the way out. Like he jumped fully out the front. He's taking more line?
But at least you keep pulling the boat that way.
Yeah. Yeah, we're not joking. This boat is gone. No engine. Literally, that's some bait right there. I don't know if you can see it. That's a mackerel.
Arriba de él me voy a tirarle. Si llega cerca me voy a tirar arriba de él para que no se vaya.
It's big. Grande.
Sí.
Grábale, porque eso es historia.
You're on to 8 minutes right now. He ain't beating my black marlin though, but you never know. That's how it was. He never moved. Is currently 10:15. We were probably stranded for like an hour to 2 hours. We were Spanish mackerel fishing. Boat went out. Lucky there was a little boat to pull us away from the beach because we were very close, about to get beached. I was not gonna be happy.
No le quiero estirar todo. Si llega Ramón, vamos a pasar la caña para allá. Para que tú te subas al barco y lo trabajes mejor, ¿no?
We'll come back when it comes up a little closer because I think we're gonna be here a little while. Alright, we are about 20 minutes in. We started at 10:06, it is now 10:27. So at 10:36 we'll be at 30 minutes, but we're still fighting. He's a little bit further out. Is he still taking line? It's hard to fight him. Looks like a stripe when he jumps. Still stranded. Boat left since we caught marlin. This choppy weather. Not too choppy. We're captain in the boat. Another update won't come. Let him take line, let him take line. Oh! Oh! That's it. Oh! There he goes. He's happy. Jumping. Look at these big old waves, guys. Big old waves. Is he about to be spooled? Uh-oh. We're moving on to breeze. Oh, God, no. Going for another run. He is not happy. We did have boat problems. This boat was about to run over the line. Was not very happy because he is far out there. We do have like a small hook. There's live bait. Cranking. it, does he? Big fish. That's it. He said, I want out. We're about to be on 40 minutes, bud. It is currently, this thing don't want to show. 10:39. So he's already passed 30 minutes. At 10:46, he will be at 40 minutes. So we are hitting on 50 minutes on this marlin, and we got the mechanic on the boat. About to fix the boat. We should go fishing even more. Let's go. An update. Let's see this broken engine. That is not a V8. He's gone closer, but now he's taking off again. Real windy. I'm sorry about the wind. It's 11:06. He has been fighting him for 1 hour. 1 hour straight. Started at 10:06 and now it is now 11:06. She's now up and running.
Stick it. No, ya. Las clases, digo, hasta acá trae el anzuelo de este lado. Okay.
Vámonos a tomar una margarita.
¿Ya le quitó? ¿Ya le bajó el freno? Póngala ahí la caña, no se preocupe. Por favor. Creo que ya se murió.
Got my hand.